Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder creates iOS and Android apps for your website with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. This video guides you to edit the Instagram stories for your mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Log in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Now let's go to Home. In Home Layout, if there is no Instagram Stories, select ADD New Layout button. Click ADD Story button to get started. Here, you will upload image media and avatar image for the story on home screen. The code embed is taken directly from the Instagram link. You can add meta caption displayed for the story item on home screen. In this case, I will copy directly the caption of the Instagram content. The feature also supports the .mp4 video link for the Instagram story item. After adding Instagram story items, let's make some settings for the layout as following. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.